Hi, this is a demonstration of an inventory management application developed entirely in Excel. So now this is one result that we get. That's the report. It lists down all the items that are going to expire soon. Means that's less than 300 days. It color codes in a different colors like the purple, uh, the light gray, yellow, and red. Red if it is less than say 30 days, and yellow if it is more than 30 days and less than 100, and so on. Different color codings are used. So on refresh, it takes out all the items that are going to expire and generates accordingly this particular color coding. Now let's see how it is operated. Now this is based on the cart. So for each cart there is a different set of items that is by default present in the cart. So the top of the cart will have a different. These are the kind of items: top drawer, basic airway, first drawer, and so on. These are the items by default it will have within this selected cart. So if this is a crash cart, it will have a different items. It is a Broslow cards, it will have a different items. As soon as when we add a card, we add a cart ID 2300. So the location is east west 98. As soon as we add it, the application will going to add a new sheet with this cart location, cart ID, and then it will add those items here. You can see, and once the cart is added, the user can enter the expiration date. Accordingly, it will going to calculate the days to expire. So this is how we add items to the cart in this system, but we can have the individual item adding also. Similarly, the Broswell cart, and then we can click on list of items expiring soon. It will going to find out for each cart ID what are the items that will going to expire. So this is a different cart. So it will list out the items that are going to expire soon. That's all in this demonstration to show you how the inventory is done. It contains VBA coding behind, so that code takes care of this for functionality of this application. Thank you very much for watching this video.